Hello, this is Shane. This is kind of awkward, but whatever. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of my new Turtle Beaches, seeing as my, what do you call them? Tritons broke. God, I hate those headsets. So anyway, I went to Best Buy, and I got a pair. I actually bought them a couple days ago. I was just kind of wondering whether I should get the ones this might be a little bit loud, for PS3, like the wireless one, or if I should just get these ones, 'cause these ones are PS3 or Xbox 360, or actually PC, which I play World of Warcraft, which is right there, which I'm currently banned right now, but whatever. So I mean, these are well-rounded and all that jazz. PX21's by Turtle Beach. I don't know what the difference is between these ones and the P11s and whatnot, but yeah, so comfortable and built to last. Kind of think that's a lie because, well, I've never used Turtle Beaches before, but my Tritons, they said that about them. They're they are pretty indestructible, but one side of my headset blew, and actually the little bracket right here snapped off, so I couldn't wear them anymore, so I had to go get a new pair of headset. So I got these ones. So the ear force idea is uses your senses and amplifies it. Basically, you can hear where the footsteps are coming from, etc., etc. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. Okay. So that's what ear force is. It's just a little kind of thing. I don't know what PX21 stands for, but yeah. So it's amplified stereo game audio. So it's not actually surround sound like the PlayStation ones, but whatever. Yeah, they're loud. They have bass on them. 16-foot cable. That might get a little bit tangled up. Could you see that happening? The USB connection, so I'd have to put my PlayStation on the floor or whatever, put my Xbox on the floor, and so yeah, that's it so far. Let's go to turtlebeach.com or go to Best Buy or whatever. I got these on a killer deal. I got them for, let me see, I got them for $64.83. Supposed to be $79. I got them for $72 as the grand total. Oh, and I also got a Xbox Live 12-month again, because mine's almost up. So yeah, I think let's open this shiz. I don't know where I should start cutting. Maybe right there somewhere. I don't want to cut a wire. Let's see. How would I just start up here? Well, it's indestructible. Okay. I'm gonna have to put the camera down for 1 second. Dang. How am I supposed to open something like this? Okay. Ow. Tricky little box you are. I'm gonna stab myself, my lord. Okay. I'm gonna cut it along the sides. Ooh. Houston, we do not have a problem. Perfect. Alright, this is the hardest damn box to open, but I actually cut it all along the side here. If you can see. Dang. Next time I'm gonna come prepared with some scissors or something. Dang, I can't even rip this dang plastic. So here we go. I got the Turtle Beach PX21's. Just open it. Ooh. Okay. I removed this. And that's the thingy. There's wires galore. Some AV, and I don't know what that wire is to. Whatever. Got an AV outputs. I got the actual headset. It's got a weird texture to it. For user's guide. There's a user's guide inside. It's not, there it goes. Dolby surround sound. Oh, this does have surround sound. I guess. No, it doesn't. Okay, yeah, so that's the higher up one. It's got 7.1 channel surround sound. This one has got, I don't know. They're really light. It's the first thing I can say about them. I'll have to peel this off. Okay, I'll have to put this in. There. Ooh, it's got a little clip. Holy hell, that's a big wire. Look at that. Yeah. It's got a little clip here for whatever you want to clip it on, I guess. Turtle Beach right there, PX21 Air Force. It's got Xbox right there. Mute, on and off. Expander, I don't know what that does. And bass, game, chat, chat boost. Back to Xbox again. ROHS compliant. So that's it, I guess. I'll just take out this user's guide underneath here. Oh, got a nice big sticker. Little Turtle Beach sticker right there. Engineered for gaming. For more projects or products, accessories, and general information, please visit Turtle Beach. TurtleBeach.com. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and that is the guides. See you guys later. Peace.